Hello viewers, I hope you are all well. Welcome to my channel Study for Competitive. I am Shankar and now in this video I will discuss the current affairs of Tripura of the month of August. I have already uploaded two videos related to current affairs of Tripura from the month of January to April and May to July. If you don't watch those videos, you can watch those videos from the I button, or you can watch those videos from my YouTube channel's playlist, and the name of the playlist is Current Affairs of Tripura. Before commencing this video, I want to request to all of you that if you don't subscribe my channel still now, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon. So, without wasting a little time, let's start. First, under Business Development Initiative in Tripura and Northeastern region of India, the Indian Railway has launched Veparmala Express from Delhi Kishanganj. The express train has arrived Jirania in Tripura. Next, National Health Mission of Tripura informed through their official Twitter that the state government and Apollo Telehealth would be launching talk-on call services for the denizens of the state within couple of days. Next, a virtual conference on Sonamura, a gateway to Tripura through waterway, has been organized by Inland Waterway Authority of India under its Ministry of Shipping. The conference is to discuss the issue of operating export and import trade on River Gumati. Next, new building of the Sanskrit University of Ekalabya campus has been established at Rimbuchora in Agartala. The new building of Sanskrit University was inaugurated by Education Minister Ratanlal Nath. Next, Sub-Inspector UP of Tripura Police Dhruvyajyoti Devarma has been nominated for Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Investigation. Total 121 awardees are being awarded by the ministry. Next, there are around 45 to 50 wild elephants in present to district of Tripura. It is confirmed by the ongoing census conducted by the Forest Department of Tripura. Next, the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Dev, laid the foundation stone for the township project in Agartala. The Tripura state government under Tripura Urban Development Authority TUDA initiated the project township project and it will be completed by December 2022. The project will provide affordable housing facilities to all and also create employment opportunities to local workers. Next, Swagat e-portal, an initiative has been launched by the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Dev. The initiative is under Ease of Doing Business that is launched at Secretariat Agartala. The step is taken for self-employment so that state can achieve Atmanirbhar Tripura goal and brings financial growth in the state. Police Medal for Meritorious Service have been awarded to 6 personnel of Tripura Police and Tripura State Tribal TSR. The name of the awardees are announced by Ministry of Home Affairs on the occasion of Independence Day. The awardees are Assistant Commandant Arun Lal Das, Women Inspector Sima Bishwas, Subedar Rakhal Chandra Nath, Nayab Subedar Gayan Prakash Tappu, Head Constable Pradeep Kumar Aditya, and Havildar Ganesh Chandra Majumdar. The Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Dev, and Director General of Police have congratulated all of the awardees. Next, on the occasion of 74th Independence Day, the Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Dev, announced 22 new programs. The major announcements among them are a medical college will be set up at Ambasha. State government will provide different social pension to additional 30,000 people. Financial assistance will be provided to 50,000 Bangadars through 10,000 joint liability group under Mukhyamantri Bangodar Bhumihin Krishak Sahayata. 1 lakh small traders will be identified under Mukhyamantri Swanirbar Yojana. State government will introduce Right to Service Act for timely delivery of service. Next, Dr. Ganga Prasad Prasing, an eminent academician, has taken charge of Vice Chancellor of Tripura University. Next, Tripura's boy James Mitei will be seen in new upcoming web series named Indo-China War 1962. Earlier, he was seen in the film Uri, the Surgical Strike as a supporting character. He also worked as an action trainer and as a stuntman in Ajay Devgan's film Tanaji. Next, Dipanjan Nag, resident of Sri Krishna Sarani in Thana Road, Dharmanagar, and the student of 10th standard in BBI school, has created a record at the age of 16 by securing the second spot internationally and first spot nationally in World Science Technology and Mathematical Society examination. The exam was based on online and conducted by NASA. The great result of this boy has paved a path for him to study in NASA and ISRO in the future. Next, 112th birth anniversary of Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur was celebrated in the state of Tripura. The main function was occurred in Binubon, Bihar. The Chief Minister of Tripura, Biplab Kumar Dev, and along with Deputy Chief Minister Jishnu Dev Burma, attended the main program. Next, on the occasion of 74th Independence Day of India, the poetess of Tripura, Sujata Pal, teacher of Subhashnagar Higher Secondary School, was awarded with Gujarat Sahitya Academy Award. Next, the state government of Tripura has received more than 74 crore from the central government to tackle the situation of COVID-19 for the next 3 months, September, October and November. Next, the Center for Rural Development Tripura announced the implementation of the project signed in Unakoti district. The main goal of this project is to save electricity and reduce environment pollution by distributing LED lights to households. Next, Tripura has won 7 awards in implementation of MGNREGA flagship scheme of Ministry of Rural Development scheme for financial year 2018-19. In the National Award distribution function held at Subramaniam Auditorium in New Delhi, the 7 awards are: Tripura has secured first rank under Hill State for implementation of good governance category. Tripura secured second rank under Hill States for war competition rate category. Gumoti district has received award for outstanding performance in the category of effective implementation of MGNREGA by district team Hill State. Gumoti district has also secured second rank for work competition at block level under Hill State. Korbuk block in Gumoti district has secured first rank for category of work competition at block level. Teliamora RT block in Khoi district has secured the first rank under category of initiatives under GOMGNREGA in the Hill State. And next, Jamraipara in Jaljuri in North Tripura district has received award for outstanding performance in implementation of MGNREGA at GP level under Hill State. Next, Assistant Headmaster Sanjoy Das of Tilabazar Higher Secondary School, Kailasahar under Unakoti district has been selected for the National Award for Teacher 2020 for his glorious outstanding performance in teaching. The award is constituted by the Ministry of HRD, which is now Department of Education, Government of India. The award will be given on the occasion of prestigious Teachers' Day celebration on the 5th September. Next, 37th ADC Day was observed in Tripura on 23rd August and another 12th Statehood Iman Day is observed by IPFT on 23rd August in Bisramganj, Pathaliya Ghat. Next, Tripura achieved successful place in the international online yoga competition held in Turkish capital Istanbul. The event was held online for the first time ever due to COVID-19 pandemic. Tripura won 6 medals, in which 3 gold medals, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals. Shambhu Chakraborty, Tanmoy Devnath and Pooja Bhattacharya won the gold medals for Tripura. Pooja Bonik won silver medals and Saurabh Ghosh and Debojit Devnath won bronze medals for Tripura. Next, the state government of Tripura has decided to give awards to youth to encourage and motivate them in self-reliance. The awards include Good Samaritan Award. Good Samaritan Award will be given those who help the road accident victims. Next award, Best Startup Entrepreneur Award. Best Startup Entrepreneur Award is to motivate youth and coming forward for new entrepreneurship in the field of industry. Another award, Best Entrepreneur Award in the field of agriculture and horticulture, fishery, animal husbandry, village and industry like handloom and handicraft and beekeeping and industrial enterprise. Next award, Best Mobile App Award. Best Mobile App Award is to encourage youth to show their creativity in digital platforms. Best Cooperative Society Award. Best Cooperative Society Award is to encourage cooperative societies to do more work for the common rural people. Next, Shailesh Kumar Yadav took over charge as District Magistrate West Tripura. He succeeds Sandeep Mahatma Shailesh. He also served as the Commissioner, Agartala Municipal Corporation, Director of Urban Development. Next, Tripura has ranked second in the Himalayan state category in the first ever Export Preparedness Index released by Niti Aayog. The rank is topped by Gujarat in overall ranking. This is the first kind of index in the field of ease of doing business covering all states and union territories on several parameters of export and preparedness and competitiveness. Next, the central government has added 78 air road connectivity under the fourth round of Udan scheme. Under the fourth round of Udan scheme, 2 flights will connect Agartala with Shillong and Dibrugarh. The Chief Minister of Tripura, Sri Biplab Kumar Dev, has hailed this positive initiative taken by the central government. Udan scheme or Ure Desh Ka Aam Nagarik scheme was launched in 27 April 2017. It aims to improve regional connectivity through air travels and also to develop the condition of regional airport. Next, a film on NRC named Noise of Silence was shot in Tripura. The film is directed by Sev Poitya. The renowned actor Rishi Raj played as leading role in this film. The film shooting was done in Tripura's various locations like Chobimura, Durgabari Tea Estate and Ujjayanta Palace. The film, created under the C production in association with SSR Cinemas. Next, Central Library and Department of Library and Information Science, Tripura University, in collaboration with the Department of Information Science and Library Management University of Dhaka, Bangladesh, has organized an online symposium on Gandhian thought for rural literacy and development. The present Vice Chancellor of Tripura University is Ganga Prasad Prasin. Next, among 124 aspirational districts across the country, Dholai district ranks well in education sector. The Chief Executive Officer of Niti Aayog, Amitabh Kant, said that the Dholai district will get additional 3 crore rupees for such good performance in education. Aspirational districts are those districts in India that are affected by poor socio-economic indicators. The central government, along with Niti Aayog, have assumed responsibility to drive the progress of district. Aspirational district program aims to real-time progress of aspirational district. Aspirational district program largely focus on people's health and nutrition, education, agriculture and water resources, financial inclusion and skill development, and last, basic infrastructure. Next, Bio Village project has been inaugurated in Brajapur village by Deputy Chief Minister Jishnu Dev Burma. Earlier, Bio Village had also inaugurated at Amtuli under Chorilam block and Meglipara Gram Panchayat under Old Agartala block. A bio village means the village which promotes renewable energy in energy sector and organic farming in agriculture sector. Next, the Chief Minister of Tripura Biplab Kumar Dev will inaugurate Lifeline Express services in Sabrum railway station on 1st September in presence of health staff. The train Lifeline Express has reached the southmost part of Tripura in Sabrum to provide inaccessible service to rural areas that lack medical services. Initially, it will provide service to the people of Sabrum subdivision, especially those from Rupaichara RD block, Satchanda RD block and Pongabari RD block. The train Lifeline Express equipped with Healthcare Service Joint Initiative Impact of Indian Foundation Indian Railways and Ministry of Health. That is the end of the video. If you want PDF of this video, please go to my site www.studyforcompetitive.weebly.com, and the link of this site is given also in the video's description. So like my video, share it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.